In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Roblox Executor fatal error, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to the settings for your computer. Click on Apps and click on Apps and Features. Then, click on Find a Setting and search up Allowed Apps. Click on this option right here. It'll bring you to this where you're going to click Firewall and Network Protection. Click Allow an app through Firewall, and this is where you're going to actually add Roblox. So, you're going to click on Change Settings and Allow another app. It'll open up this window right here that selects the app that you want to add. So I'm going to click on Browse and type in Roblox. So I'm going to click on Roblox right here, and there are multiple that you can actually choose from. Now, since Roblox is not showing up, you are going to have to find it another way. Now, this is how you do so. I'm going to click on Drive and search up Roblox here. Since it's not here either, I'm going to go to my C drive and click on Program Files. If it is not in Program Files, I'm going to go back and go to the other Program Files and look here as well. This is where Roblox is. I'm going to open it up, click on Versions, and click on the latest version and open that up as well. I'm going to click on Beta, open that, and add it. And I'm going to do the same thing to the actual launcher that I just did with the beta. Once you add that, you're going to do the same thing, and then they are added. Now I'm going to click on OK since that is done, and the final way that you are going to be doing this is to actually open up Roblox's file location, like so, and I'm going to click on the right click of Roblox Player, click on Properties, and then go to Compatibility. You're going to click on Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7, and then you're going to click Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. You're going to click Apply, and then you can close all of these windows out. Once this is done, the error will be gone. That's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.